Hello, all. My name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video, we are going to see one of the most basic concept in Python pandas, which is head and tail of a data frame. Okay, so this is one of the very basic step which you will follow whenever you are trying to explore a data frame. So let's see like how to check head and tail of a data frame. Okay, so if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's get into this. So first we'll try to import pandas as PD. Try to run this particular cell. Import pandas as PD. It's taking some time. So yeah, it's executed. So import pandas as PD. Now what we'll do is like we'll try to read the CSV file in data frame is equal to pd dot read underscore CSV, and here I have already uploaded a CSV file by name data, and now we'll try to run this particular cell, and now we'll see the data frame. So here you can see like the data frame is having 33 columns and 569 rows. Okay, and suppose if you want to see only first 10 columns, sorry, only first 10 rows, or if you want to see only first 25 rows, or if you want to see only first 50 rows. Okay, so what you will do is like if you are coming from the top, means like it will become a head. Okay, and if you're trying to explore from the bottom, means it will become a tail. Okay, so we'll try to explore first 25 rows, so then it becomes head. Okay, so like now I will show you like how to explore the first 25 rows. Okay, so in that case, like what you have to do is like data frame dot head, and here you can mention the specific number of rows which you want to explore. Suppose if you want to explore first 25 rows, and just mention df data frame dot head, and in the bracket you can just mention the number of rows which you want to explore. Okay, so here the df means what is the name of the data frame which we are trying to explore it. Okay, so here I have given the name as df for the data frame. Okay, so like we'll try to run this particular cell. So here now you can see like the first 25 rows, all the columns has been explored. Okay, so here you can see all the columns with first 25 rows. Okay, and similarly if you want to explore from the bottom of the data frame, means like what you have to do is like data frame dot tail. So in the bracket you can just mention the number of rows which you want to explore from the bottom of the data frame. Okay, so we'll try to run this particular cell. So here you can see last 25 rows of the data frame. So this is all about the head and tail of a data frame. So this is one of the very basic step and one of the crucial step which whenever you are trying to explore the data frame. Okay, so in order to understand like what kind of data is present, whether categorical data or numerical data, or if there is any columns has to be dropped, or if it is having a missing values, you will get some idea whenever you try to explore the data frame, especially when you try to explore the first few rows or the last few rows, because usually the data frames will be a large. Okay, it will be having more than thousands of rows, or whenever you are doing some kind of industry project, like in that case it will be having more than lakhs of rows and many number of columns. So it becomes very difficult to see all the rows and columns at one shot. So this is one of the basic step, like where you can get some idea about the head and tail of it. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel, and kindly hit the like button if you really like this particular video. Okay, so see you on all. Thank you. Bye bye.